Today, we're checking out of the Four Seasons Orlando Walt Disney World Resort. Although we gave you a tour when we first checked in, we wanted to take some time and show you our room now that we've slept in it, lived in it, and enjoyed it for our stay. So we wanted to give you a tour from a little bit different of a perspective, and we wanted to tell you our thoughts on why we think Four Seasons Orlando Walt Disney World Resort is by far the best resort in Walt Disney World and Orlando. So when you come into our room here, just disregard our luggage. We have this nice walk-in closet here with plenty of hangers. We have a shelf here for you to put your luggage, drawers that open out. We have a nice sliding barn door that opens and closes into the bathroom. Double sinks with a nice television there. Hey! We've got a full-size tub. Looks very relaxing. Nice toilet over here with another barn door, so privacy is very nice. And if anything happens while you're in here and you need to make an important call, you can absolutely use the bathroom phone. Hooks to hang your robes. Robes over here. These are a wonderful feature. Then of course we have the walk-in shower. It is not a rain shower, but it is still a very nice shower. And we have these toiletries here. This is the brand that they are using. Very nice, it has a wonderful smell to it. So really love the size of this bathroom. This is much bigger than anything that you will find at any of the deluxe resorts at Walt Disney World. I know Animal Kingdom Lodge has just like 2 sinks and then just the standard shower tub. Grand Floridian does have the television in the mirror, which is nice, but unless you get a DVC room, you're not looking to get a bathroom as large as this. And it's really nice for both of us to be getting ready with the 2 sinks and the space and everything. And of course that private toilet is really nice as well. Come around the corner here. We have the bed. Our bed's a little messy right now because we were laying in it. You have your coffee and cappuccino, espresso kind of machines. We took advantage of that. I made tea every morning with this. We have our lovely assortments of creamers and additives. Then you have your iPad over here, which is where we ordered room service. Do all of the things that you need to do from the Four Seasons wireless charger, which is great. So you can order room service from here. And of course they have breakfast, they have all day dining, everything 24/7, which is great. This bed was amazing. Loved sleeping in this bed. These pillows are to die for. If I could take them home, believe me, I would. I had a great night's sleep last night, the first great night's sleep I've had in a really long time. So maybe I just need to get better pillows at home. Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yeah, I had a really good night.
Enjoyed the bed?
Yeah.
You got your nice little workstation here. And conveniently to your right-hand side is the self-serve wine kiosk.
It's not working.
It's turned off because of COVID. You can help yourself there to a glass of your choice of wine instead of ordering room service and waiting for them to bring it to you. You've got a phone here for business calls. You've got a phone over here for business calls. This one is portable. And then these buttons can be found around the room. This button turns on all of the lights. This button turns off all of the lights. And then there's a request here to make up the room, which is nice. This sofa here is a pull-out sofa, so it's a queen sleeper sofa. Just move this nice table out of the way here.
Yep, you can. It weighs like a 5,000.
Yeah, this table weighs a lot, and then this table weighs a lot. We've got a nice bottle of rosé here. courtesy of the Four Seasons. Thank you guys so much for that. That was such a wonderful treat when we got back to our room. And then the pièce de résistance is this beautiful balcony, theme park view, and of course, resort view. It doesn't get much better than this. You've got Tower of Terror, Swan Dolphin, Epcot, Expedition Everest, and then all the way over here you can see the top of the Grand Floridian, the top of the DVC Grand Floridian, and then of course Contemporary, Bay Lake Towers, Magic Kingdom, and then we finished up our 18th hole of golf right there. Beautiful golf course. We had a great time here at the Four Seasons. This is a wonderful resort. It's absolutely magical and it's so luxurious. It's very peaceful and it's really nice to be able to enjoy a little bit of the magic of Walt Disney World without all the chaos. So if you are thinking about booking your next Walt Disney World vacation, definitely check out the Four Seasons Orlando Resort Walt Disney World. Thank you so much, Four Seasons Orlando, for hosting us. Your customer service is by far the best we've ever experienced here in the Orlando area.
Yeah.
I mean,
Top notch, for sure. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Everyone we met here at the resort was wonderful, from the bellman to the front desk staff to the waitresses and the pool staff, everyone.
Yeah, everyone's very friendly, says hello when you walk past. I mean, it's just, yeah. It's a level of service that you don't find at a lot of places anymore. Yeah, it's very nice.
Everyone goes out of the way to make you feel welcome. We felt very at home here. We didn't feel out of place. You know, we've never stayed at a Four Seasons before. We've never stayed at any resort like this before. So this was a real treat, and we really appreciated how everyone went out of their way to make us feel at home. Some hotels, you know, can make you feel a little bit of an outsider, but
yeah. Even the golf course too, the same thing. I mean, you know, golf courses sometimes, especially high-end golf courses, private courses, much like Tranquilo. Sometimes, you get kind of a snobby vibe. I mean, from the pro shop to, the attendants that work the cart area. I mean, everybody's very laid back, very relaxed. I mean, regardless of your skill level, just a really relaxed environment. Definition of vacation. Just hang out, relax, and have a good time.
Yeah, very relaxing, very peaceful, very good time here. So thank you again, Four Seasons Orlando, Walt Disney World, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
And it is a little bit chilly for Florida, but it's actually really warm for us because, oh, I need a mask.